Hey folks, I just want to do a very quick tutorial on how to get a document that you've been working on in Google Docs into Microsoft Word format so you can submit it for class. Google Docs and Microsoft Word are fully compatible, but you can't just submit a file from Google Docs directly to D2L. There's just no way to do it. So you've got to download it out of Google Docs, save it, and then upload it to D2L, okay? So what we're going to do, first and foremost, you're in your file here, you're edited, everything is good. You can go to download, and then you can choose a whole bunch of different formats here, but my recommendation is just download as Microsoft.docx, and you'll see it downloads right here. Now, once it's downloaded, what we're going to do is we're going to flip over to the D2L, and then show you how to upload it. So let's say that we need to submit our reading annotation here. We can click on it, go here. Right here, we go to Add File, go to My Computer, and hit Upload. And then it's a matter of figuring out where you saved it. Generally, if you're in a Windows machine, that is in Downloads. So you can see right here, Student Report. You hit Open. Okay, you'll see it's now attached as a Word document. You hit Add. Then submit, and it will show you that it's been submitted. Everything's good to go. Okay, that's it. Really super simple. I know it's a question a lot of students had, so I wanted to put together a quick tutorial. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.